Hello everyone, today I am going to give you a quick tutorial on bone fracture detection system in MATLAB. So let's just run this file first and see the output. Okay, so here we see a GUI, graphical user interface. In this we need to browse an image. So this image is basically I have downloaded one digital X-ray image from Harvard University. So I am basically uploading this. Now then you can see the output. Here is one original image. This is basically the original image, and then this is the images which we are implementing by using Sobel, Pivot, and Kenny edge detector filters. So we can see as we can see the results. This Sobel and results of the Sobel pivot edge detectors are showing an accurate fracture edge detection, but they are unable to eliminate the noise and detect the radius bone structure. But as we can see, the Kenny edge detector, this provides an accurate fracture edge detection, and it is also removing the noise and detecting the radius bone structure. So that's what we have implemented. Now let's come to the implementation part, how we implemented this. So basically first I create a GUI which we have seen in the output for browsing an image, then for original image, and then for showing the outputs of Pivot, Kenny and Sobel edge detector. So basically how we have implemented. So the digital X-ray image needs to be pre-processed to improve the quality of the image. So in pre-processing, noise removal, shading correction and contrast enhancements are performed on the X-ray images. Then we have performed shading correction, a linear intensity transformation, and then we applied a linear transformation function. Then the total image is subtracted from the average pixel value. So basically we have implemented this in MATLAB because since the X-ray images are larger in size, so resizing of the images are done to satisfy MATLAB image format. So that's how I have implemented this code. This is the edge detector filters. So thank you for watching.